Tang salni chini salmario hastewala hanaikolnai eba highway petroling ni bagai malkhung rijakha police rokno. Omo Agartala ni simi sabroom lamao 24 hour eba damni chibri romoi active tongnai. Laharo mungsa pati mungrok patike chubana bagai ready tongnai luku chubana ni bagai. Te oborokno tei Montri Okra Dr. Manik Saha Saka. Omo tongma bai laharo kefe ke malkhung chalogai lahar pati mungrok umani te se helewana eba komiwana. Tangi hinke borok damni chibri romoi active tongma bai bebak thang phaikhani malkhungno nachomai manana hini saka.
Less road traffic accident, so less there will be chances of fatality rate. So as because the surveillance will be 24/7, so naturally the accident will be less, and the driver or who is driving the car will be very much alert. So that's why I'm telling that it will be reduced.
Sir, one thing is election is coming, and we have seen that there was an incident of insurgency also. What type of measures are being taken for that, and do you think with coming days there are chances of insurgency getting increased?
You see, what I have gathered this knowledge of that incident, that there are some areas where this
fencing
wiring has not been completed due to some, because from our counterpart of Bangladesh they have given some objection. So internationally, this is an international matter, this is not the state's matter. So from our center, they are already in discussion with the Bangladesh people. When it would be made, then I think it would be this kind of incident will be lesser. And the area where it has happened, it was not given barbed this thing. So that's why it happened. So we have already through our DG Sahib, already we have informed that to go at the border of, along the border, they should be very careful, because they are in a safe zone. No? They always remain in a safe zone. So they do the ambush. So naturally, they are in better position, and that's why the injury peoples from our side is much more. So in that way we have already discussed, and our DG Sahab along with other his people, they have discussed how to tackle this kind of situation.
Just problem ke abar baatte pare after before election?
No. If there maybe we don't know, but we are alert.
Sir, one thing is, as you said, more than 90.
No, regarding all these issues, we have already addressed, and from our side, though, we are very much alert, and accordingly, we are taking precautions, and on that basis, we are doing the needful. From our side, though, we are very much alert. You see, the pockets, there are some pockets, and opposition always, they will pick up those issues. And it is not not like that all the stretches are open. There are small patches, very minimal amount. So that would be, I think, sealed off in time.
So there were surrenders of insurgents of the band and NFT to the state police as well as BSF in the last few days, and the security authorities have been saying that they are in severe financial problems. Do you think due to desperation or something there might be possibilities of them trying to regroup in the coming days, sir?
No. Regarding all these issues, we are discussing all these matters, and I think everything will be solved.